Welcome, class of 2027. We can't wait to welcome you into our halls, classrooms, and officially become part of the Barnes family. IS-24 is truly a special place. Not only is it a school where students learn and grow, but 24 becomes an everlasting family. Our academics are always of utmost importance. You can catch our students learning at their desks, outside, on a trip, with special guest visitors, and many times with lots of hands-on learning. We offer a variety of academic programs: honors and regents courses, ICT and SETs, special education classes, and we are introducing a brand new NEST program. Students who receive services can have everything they need here at IS-24. Speech, OT, PT, and L services are available all during the school day. Our library is open daily. Students can take out a book, use the computers, and our librarian is always available for questions. Students can even participate in our school book club. Physical education at IS-24 is so much more than a gym class. Our teachers have created a brand new bike program and bring in tons of special visitors. We especially love when our former students come back to speak with our current students about their high school experiences. Our physical education department also organizes our school faculty games and the best field day ever. School isn't just about academics, though. It's a place to grow, make friends, and explore new things. We have a large variety of in-school programs and clubs students can become part of. Our student government is a major factor in deciding school spirit days, events, initiatives, and so much more. We also have new programs emerging each year. We have an MSK Girls program, as well as a brand new MBK Boys program. The talent department at IS-24 is truly one of a kind. We have it all, from dance, graphic arts, band, visual arts, chorus, and a brand new stream program. This past school year, our talent department put on a phenomenal performance of Little Shop of Horrors. A true example of teaching our students how teamwork and collaboration can make anything possible. We are so excited for Grease this year. We also have an array of extracurricular activities for students to choose from. Our free UAU program takes place every day after school until 5 p.m. Students can get help with homework, play sports, and learn a new skill. We also offer additional after-school programs throughout the school year: baking, fencing, chess, Lego robotics, dance, 3D printing, mixed media, and lots more. Our Intrepid program even gave students the chance to participate in Operation Slumber. IS-24 proudly participates in the middle school youth sports leagues. Our boys varsity basketball team was undefeated and made it all the way to the championships this past year. We also have a JV and a girls team. This year, we were able to add flag football and soccer. Our varsity boys soccer team in their first season are your 2023 Middle School Staten Island champions. Excited to see what the future holds for all of these amazing programs. We have an award-winning dance company. Our dance team rehearses after school and attends competitions and dazzles the court for halftime performances. Every year, we strive to improve and provide more opportunities for our students and families. Our PTA plays a huge role in our events and helping us make all of our ideas come to life. They host our holiday and spring fairs annually, along with a basket auction night. Students love when the PTA hosts Pretzel Day, but you can also catch them weekly in the GO store for school apparel, supplies, or snacks. Family engagement is a core value to our school. We host an annual literacy night where you can check out some books while enjoying a hot cup of cocoa with the family. We are a proud Urban Advantage school, which partners with our local zoos, museums, and more to promote scientific, inquiry-based learning. Our annual STEAM night is always a crowd pleaser, from life-size Jenga to making your own slime, and even the Staten Island Zoo comes to visit. We hosted our first color run this year with families, and it was another huge success and fun for everyone. While our school is involved in a variety of different things, a top priority is teaching our students the importance of community service. We have been the leading public school for the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer Walk for the last 5 years, raising over $10,000 each year. We have broadened our reach and now have students participating in the autism, Alzheimer's, MAD, and Light the Night walks. Toys for tots, shoveling for the elderly, pajama drives, and so much more. This year, our math team won first place at the district competition for a second consecutive year, and our 7th grade media arts students placed 3rd at the Brave video contest. We even had our 8th grade student, Barbie Lynn, fly down to Nashville, Tennessee, as the winner of the National Recycling Poster Contest. It has been a remarkable year, and we can't wait for the following 3 years with you all. Lots of new and exciting things for our future together. Grab your Barneswear and showcase it every Friday with us. Welcome to the family, the Barnes family, home of the Sharks.